How long will you live the same way every day? Do you feel like something is missing, but you don't know what? Today, you will meet someone who decided to take control of her life. And what happened after changed everything forever. You can also change your life. Laura does not hate her job, but something makes it hard to believe that. She tells herself this to keep going. It is not a bad job. It is not a bad salary. It is not a bad life. But she wakes up at 6:40 without an alarm. Gray light comes through the window. Her body already knows the routine. She takes her phone before getting up. The screen lights her tired face. She does not check messages. She does not look at social media. She only wants to know the day. Monday. She closes her eyes 1 second too long. She counts for days. She does not measure life in years. She measures it in weekends. She bathes, gets dressed, leaves. She works. And that is the problem. At the office, she answers emails with cold coffee next to her keyboard. She says perfect when it is not perfect. She laughs, but does not listen fully. Nobody notices. Laura is responsible, but she feels her week is borrowed. On Sunday night, her chest hurts a little. The house is too quiet. It is not sadness. It is not anxiety. It is a small, constant pressure. Like her body knows something she does not say out loud. She thinks, this cannot be all. She washes dishes, sets her alarm, and goes on. One Friday night, she locks herself in, turns off the lights, closes the door, puts on headphones. The world becomes quieter. She does not go out. She does not post. She does not write to anyone. She sits on the floor between pillows with a book on her legs, music playing softly. She does not always read. Sometimes she just flips the pages to feel that other lives exist. That moment is the closest to feeling alive, and she protects it. One day, she opens an old folder on her computer. There is a photo. She is 21, laughing on the floor, hands with blue paint. Not posing, laughing really. She looks at it, does not recognize that person. Not the face, the direction. That girl was moving towards something. Laura now only maintains something. She opens the notebook that night. The paper makes a sound. She does not know what to write, but she opens it anyway. The blank page does not scare her. It wakes her up. She writes one word, write. Her hand feels strange. She laughs alone. She has not written anything important in years. Only emails, passwords, reminders, nothing that looks back at her. She presses the pen, nothing comes. The silence is heavy. Her hands sweat. She is nervous for a page. She sighs. She writes quickly, without thinking too much. I don't know where to start, but I am here. She reads it. She wants to erase it. She does not. Something holds her. She continues. Words come hard, clumsy, like stones. She deletes lines. She gets frustrated. She asks, who will read this? She decides to try. Sends a story to a public group. Minutes later, I was bored. She almost deletes everything, but she breathes and writes another line. Small, simple. She posts again. Nobody reads. She doubts. Some days she does not touch the notebook, but she continues. Words, sentences, small attempts. Weeks later, one reader writes, your text touched me. Thank you. Small, minimal, not millions, just one person who feels something. Laura smiles without thinking. The warmth in her chest, small but real. She continues, day after day, failure after failure. Some texts not finished, some erased, but each attempt gives her a piece of herself back. Each word counts. No instant success, no magic, no applause, but progress. For the first time in years, she feels alive every day. Not just Fridays, not just when the lights go off. The pressure disappears. Silence becomes company. The notebook stays open, and so does she. She learned, it does not matter if it hurts. It does not matter if it does not work the first time. What matters is to keep going. Do you feel your life is a routine? Like every day is the same? You know something can change. You do not need a perfect plan. Just start. Do something small today. Ask questions. Find answers. Learn. You will make mistakes, and you will learn more from them than from successes. Maybe nobody sees it. It hurts, right? But keep going. Day by day, step by step. Each try brings you closer to something real. Each small success counts. Do not wait for applause. Do not wait for perfection. Life is not easy, and that is what makes it valuable. Fall. Get up. You will fall many times and rise stronger. Focus your mind. Follow your path, and you will see your life start to change. Maybe you will reach your goal, maybe not. But everything you do gives you tools to keep moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to English Step Stories for more English stories step by step.